putting stickers on his forehead. And he's going to be upset when he has to take them off. Liam. Liam. Show Mommy what's on your head. Stickers on your head? Yeah, you're going to take them off your head? No, yeah, because they're going to hurt.
Don't you hit me.
You going to take them off? You going to take your stickers off your head?
I made you a cupcake.
Let me see. Oh, take them off, Dee Dee.
I'm giving Weston's cupcake to Grandpa.
Uh-oh. Oh, those are scratch and sniff stickers. I can smell them. Oh, they're going to hurt. Oh, Grandma took your sticker. They do smell, don't they? They're Willy Wonka. The chocolate factory. They smell good. They smell yummy. Liam, you got stickers on your head. Yeah. They do smell yummy. Oh, what's that on your hand? It's on your hand. Yeah, it is on your hand. Yeah. Oh, you're putting it on you right there? Okay. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you got some on your belly. You got a lot on your belly, actually. Look at all those on your belly. Yeah. Look at Mommy.